Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So today isn't a DIY tutorial. Today is an opening Temu package with me. I wanted to share with you some more items that I've been ordering on Temu. I've just had so much fun ordering all different kinds of items and supplies from this company, Temu. If you haven't ordered from them or even seen their website, I highly suggest you go and check them out. I'm going to leave a link in my in the description box below so you can go ahead and go through there and go check out Temu to order all kinds of supplies, household items. I love ordering craft supplies from there simply because they are very budget friendly. Also, the quality that I've been ordering from items here have been very, very good. So I highly suggest you go and check them out. As you can see, today I ordered just a few items. I actually ordered mainly rugs and a few items that I wanted to just try out. For example, this brush. It's an electrical cleaning brush and it comes with a whole bunch of different brushes and gadgets. It also comes with a hook that you can attach to your wall to hang this up so it can be nice and neat. And also it's rechargeable, so it does come with the wiring to recharge as well. And it really does work really good. If you want me to make a review and share with you how I use it, let me know in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to do that as well. I also ordered some placemats, and these table mats are not going to be for my plates. They're actually going to be for a DIY that I'm going to use these as wall decor. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments below too, because I will be making a tutorial for my TikTok channel, but if you want, I can make one here for YouTube as well. But I did order just a few different sizes. I actually ordered, I believe, was 2 different sizes. But you can order, I want to say 2 to 3 different sizes on all the placemats that they do have. And I also ordered just one thing for my crafting room, which is the paper, the roll of paper that I use on my table. It was actually a lot less expensive here than it is where I normally order it from. I want to say it was less under $5 for that huge roll of paper that I'm going to use for my crafting supplies. And I also ordered some more rugs. Like I said, I mainly ordered rugs on this order, but I do like the quality of them. Of course, I think I would only use these maybe 1 or 2 seasons, but they are good enough for the price range. This one right here is just a really adorable spring summer style rug that I'm going to use in front of my sink. And then I did buy another size of the same rug that I showed you at the beginning because I am going to use these in my kitchen, and I wanted to use one by my sliding door as well as in front of my fridge. So you can see the different size that I got, one for my sliding door, one for my fridge. So again, I highly suggest you guys go and check out Temu. I am going to leave the link and also a discount code down below. So have fun shopping. Until next time, you guys stay blessed.